Hi guys, welcome to Kitchen Equations. So for this video, we're going to find the value of y in this equation. So we have here 4 times quantity of 3y minus 2 is equal to 6y plus 10. So una muna natin gagawin dito para mahanap yung value ni y ay kailangan nating i-distribute si 4 dito kay 3y tsaka kay negative 2. So magiging 4 times 3y is 12y minus 4 times negative 2 is 8. Ayan, negative 8. So, equals, copy natin si 6y plus 10. Okay? Now, gagamit tayo ng addition property of equality. Pero, dahil pwede din naman nating i-shortcut na or yung tinatawag na transpose na tinatawag. So, sige, mag-addition muna tayo. Addition property na lang. So, mag-a-add tayo ng negative 6y tsaka positive 8 para makancel si negative 8 tsaka si 6y dito. So, magiging sa both sides ha. So, 12y minus 8. So, magiging minus 6y tapos plus 8. Okay, so copy natin to 6y plus 10. Then, add tayo ng 6y, negative 6y, tsaka positive 8. So, kung ano yung in-add natin dito sa kabila, i-add din natin sa kabila. Okay, so pwede nang i-cancel si 8 dito. So, ang matitira, 12y, and then, minus 6y. Equals, makakancel si 6y, and then negative 6y. So, 10 na lang, and then plus 8. Okay, now, pwede na tayong mag-simplify. So, magiging 12y minus 6y is 6y equals 18. Okay, 10 plus 8 is 18. Now, divide both sides by 6. So, ang matitira dyan is y equals 18 divided by 6 is 3. So, the answer is y is equal to 3.